Hello students. So today I'm going to cover artificial hybridization. So first let us understand what does artificial hybridization means. Artificial means we know that the one which is not natural, which is done by human being, right? That is called artificial. As I have taught you that pollination, right, the process, it is carried out naturally, right? In hybridization, what happened, it is not carried out naturally. Here what happened, it is done by human being. in Only desired pollen grains are used for pollination and fertilization. Okay, here the pollen grains are selected, the better quality of pollen grains are selected, and they use only desired pollen grain. And how does it help, or what is the advantage? The advantage is that it protect from contamination, that is unwanted pollen grain. As you know that during pollen transfer or pollination, different types of pollen grain also land on stigma, right? And then in further, they reject the pollen grains. So to avoid this, uh, this method is applied, and it also saves time. So this process can be achieved by two methods: emasculation and bagging. In emasculation, it is the process where anther is removed from bisexual flowers. All right. So why it is carried out? To prevent self pollination and to prevent undesirable pollination. So when anther is removed, only female flower left out, so female flower is obtained. Another is bagging. So once the emasculation is done, the flowers, the female flower or the emasculated flower is covered with the bag, and that bag is made up of either plastic or butter paper bag, and process is called bag. Okay, so let us see how it is carried out. So first is emasculation done, where anther is removed from the bisexual flowers with the help of forceps. Okay, so only female flower is obtained. Then after that, emasculated flower or the female flower which is obtained is immediately, it is covered with the bag. Okay, and that bag is either made up of plastic or a butter paper. Then after that, mature and viable pollen grains are collected from a male plant, okay, which has a better quality, more better characteristics, features, and then they are dusted on that female flower, okay, on the stigma of the female flower. Then again they are immediately, they are rebagged. Okay, the bags are replaced, so that is called a rebagging. Then here what happens, transfer of pollen grain, but not naturally, artificially. So artificial pollination takes place here, and when pollination will takes place, it is followed by what, fertilization, right? And when fertilization will takes place, it allows to develop fruit, right? So fruits are developed, and from there desired seeds are obtained. I hope that this concept is clear to you. So do write notes on this and learn this nicely.